Hi, this is your host and your friend Amit Lakhani. Today, I'm here to present you with a technique which will help you find the square of a two-digit number. Let's begin. So we have two-digit number. Did you saw that? I found out the square of two-digit number in a fraction of a second. Aren't you excited to learn this technique? If yes, why don't you write a yes in the comment box? This will show me your eagerness to learn this technique. Without waiting further, let's begin. On the left hand side, you might have noticed two-digit number for which we are going to find out the squares. And on the top, we have the rules which we are going to follow to accomplish the task. Let's begin. My friends, before we start, why don't you pull out the books from your bag and let's see who can solve the square of all these number in the least amount of time. And let me remind you, my friends, once you are done, do comment your completion time. Let's start. So starting with the first number, we have 14. So what we are going to do is find out the square of each digit. Square of 1 is 1. So instead of 1, we write 0, 1. Square of 4 is 16. Combining the numbers, we get. Now, we have to multiply both the digits by 2. So what we get? We get 8. Now, next step will be adding 8 over here. But do remind that you have to use an x over here. So what we get here is 196. So let's move on to the next sum. We have 23. Square of 2 is 4 and square of 3 is 9. Combining them, we get. Now multiplying both the digits by 2, so we have, which will give me 12. Now adding, leaving the unit digit, add the number over here. So we get 9, 2, 5, 529. Let's move on to the next sum. We have 39. Square of 3 is 9 and square of 9 is 81. Combining both the numbers, we get 981. Now let's find the multiplicative value. So we have 3 into 9 into 2, which will give me 54. So leaving the unit place, write down 54 over here and adding them, we get 1, 2, 5, 15, 21. Isn't that easy? Let's move on to the next sum. (42). Square of 4 is 16. Square of 2 is 4. Combining them, we get 1604. Now finding out the multiplication value. So we have 4 into 2 into 2, which will give me 16. Leaving the unit place, add 16 over here. So we get 4, 6, 7, 1. This is my final answer. Now next sum. 51. Square of 5 is 25. Square of 1 is 01. Combining both the number, we get 2501. Now finding out the multiplication value. So we get 10. Adding 10 over here, leaving the unit place, we get 2601. Alright, let's move on. Next sum. 67. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 7 is 49. Combining both the number, 3649. Multiplying the digits by 2, which will give me 84. Now leaving the unit place, adding 84 here, so we get 9, 8, 14, 4, 4, 4, 8, 9. The next sum. 78. Square of 7 is 49. Square of 8 is 64. Combining them, we get 4964. Multiplying each digit by 2. So we get 116, 56, 112. Now leaving the unit place, write down 112 here. So what we get? We get 4, 8, 10, 6, 6084. Next sum. 84. Square of 8 is 64. Square of 4 is 16. Combining the number, we get 6416. Now multiplying each digit by 2, so we have leaving the unit place, write down 64 here, and adding them, we get 507056. And finally the last number, 99. Square of 9 is 81. Square of 9 is 81. Combining them, we get 81, 81. Now multiplying each digit by 2. So we have 9 into 9 into 2, which will give me 162. Now leaving the unit place, add 162. So we get 1089. This is my final answer. I'm sure you have learned the technique now. Please feel free to share your learning experience with us. See you all next time with another great video. If you have not subscribed to us, do it now, so you won't miss any of these great educational videos. Till then, take care and goodbye.